Hey everyone, Josh with JDS Sign Supply, and today we want to talk to you about glass cloth tape. So many of you know about these squeegee buffers, work excellent, but sometimes you need something that's just a little bit smoother or maybe resistant to heat, and that's when the glass tape comes in. So we have both the 3M version and we have our own Kota Pro version. You can get the traditional Teflon type tape, so it has a little bit of a texture, or this new super smooth PTFE tape. The PTFE, both of them come in 36-yard rolls, but the PTFE comes in two different thicknesses. And it's really easy to apply this, and the impact on the squeegee is significant. So let me show you real quick. I'm going to take our standard rigid squeegee, and I will just peel this back. Again, this is kind of in 3M's heat tape division. So if you're using heat with the squeegee, this should resist sticking to the surface because of what it was originally engineered for. And then 3M introduced this to us a while back, saying this was the new Cadillac of squeegee tapes, and they were right. It's super smooth. So I'm applying it just like a monkey strip. There'll be a little bit of trimming needed if you measure as quickly as I do, but yeah, if you could feel that, this side versus this side is just incredible. So I'm going to extend the life of my squeegee. I have a super smooth edge, and it should be a big assistance in applying graphics. So to learn more about this or to purchase, check us out online, jdssignsupply.com, or call us at the number below. Thanks.